Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're doing the glass on this GE oven. It is model JTD3000SN1SS. So the glass shattered. So I went ahead and already pulled the glass out because it made such a mess. There was glass everywhere and I didn't want it. So we're gonna be going through and I'll show you how to take the glass out. All right, so if you look on the sides here, if you really need these, they got these like little, just like stops. You can flip these up if you want. I mean, they don't really stop too well. I mean, it stops it right there, which is fine. The first thing we're gonna do is we need a T20 bit. You have a screw right here, and you have another screw over here, and then 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's start by taking all these out. Now, once you release these, you have to be very careful because this piece is going to want to flip up on you. So once you get these first two out the top, now this is going to want to pull away. So this is going to pull away from you. So you have to be very careful to hold this, make sure it doesn't lean, make sure it doesn't fall out. All right, so now if you want to take the whole back, this whole piece here out, if you're needing to replace this piece, this black piece, then you would take all the bolts out. But since we're only doing the glass, now we have it exposed here. So if you look on this, you will see these. Now, the glass, so this can completely shut right here. So you want to remove these. Let's close this here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All I use to get these ones out is just a simple nut driver. It's gonna look something like this, you know. You can get the exact size for you if you want. So you're going to take these and just remove all 10 of these. I want to be careful not to drop anything, obviously because this is glass, this is glass, well, so please be cautious. I'll close this a little bit. So I can get these on the bottom. So be careful, screws. I think it'd be helpful if you had 2 people doing this, honestly. That one by hand. All right. So now we got just a few more. Now you want to make sure you hold this up. You don't want this, because once you release all these bolts, once you unscrew them, it's just going to fall. Like, it's under spring tension. So you want to hold the bottom door with your leg. Make sure you're holding this up. So now these are starting to come. You can always put like a rag or a towel down on this door here, so it doesn't, nothing falls and cracks and breaks that. All right, so once all the screws are out, you're just gonna slowly peel the metal, this metal shielding back. It should come right out. Now, this part here, this is like obviously some insulation. Mine was completely shattered, my glass, so I took a shot vac to it. Well, unfortunately, I do not recommend doing that because the shot vac sucked up this corner and completely destroyed it. So it's best to try to just clean this by hand if you can. All right, so now you take the new glass and you set it on these little spots here. Should just rest. So it should just sit right in these little, in these spots. Make sure the insulation is just not in the way. It's better if you have two people helping you. All right, so once that's in place, you want to hold the glass. You're gonna take this metal shield, take your screws, just put one there to get started. Make sure your gasket's still set in place. Yep, I need to hold up here. I got the glass. Can you pull this down? All right, once you get these bolts started, then you can let the glass go. It should just sit. The door is still under spring load, so you have to watch that. You can let it go. Good. Go ahead and clean the glass to get the fingerprints off it. Now you're going to want to push the two panels back together. Now it should be sitting flat like this. Now you can hold them, like sandwich them together. And you're going to take these two, the screw and the little holder, and put it back in place. So you have one in each corner. And I'll take the other one and put it on the left-hand side over here. All right, you're good. Thanks.
Are you sure?
Yeah, thanks. Now you'll take that T20 bit, let's drive it home. All right, guys, so once you have these two bolts in right here, I'm gonna straighten this one up a little bit. Just make sure they're snug. That should be it. So, like I said, you wanna just go through and make sure everything's tight, because I know all this stuff can come loose. Snug it. Make sure it's all tight. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just make sure the door closes. Make sure it's lined up. If you have issues with alignment, a lot of times it's down here in the brackets where like the hinge for the door is like off track or not right. So a lot of times you can undo these screws down here and kind of adjust it. You can pull this whole door off, but that's the easiest way to adjust everything. All right, so hope this helps. Thanks for watching.